Hi, I'm slipping ulit. Wait lang, yung zipper ko bukas. I am slipping and I just caught myself scrolling na naman. What happened to the Great September Lock-in? Ano nangyari sa Great September Lock-in natin? I mean, hindi ko naman siya ina-attribute doon na parang this is just September thing, you know. Pero naka-clock ko si self. We're slipping back to our old ways. One night, ako ay natulog na 4 a.m. Why? When, actually, medyo consistent na parang niro-roll back ko yung sleep ko. So, natulog ako, pinakalitis ko na parang naklock ko self ko na parang, hala, what is 2 a.m.? No, 2:30. 2:30 ako nakatulog ng umaga. Tapos, the next night, sabi ko, okay, 2 p.m. lights out. Sleep tayo kagad. 2 p.m. Okay, the next night, 1:30, sige, give. Tapos naging 1. Hanggang na-roll back ko siya until like 1. I think yun na yung max score, like 12:30 or something ganyan. And then, nag-crash out siya at natulog siya na alas 4 ng umaga. What happened there? What happened there? Kanina na nag-scroll ako ng sobra. No, even like kagabi rin. Sobra. Ewan ko, maybe is it the stress? Then medyo stressful rin yung previous nights kasi papalapit na sa performance. Today, ay tapos ay performance namin sa AUDC for Pep Rally. So that is really good. So parang one thing off of my daily things to do. Kasi naging daily na rin ang rehearsal and stuff, ganyan. So, I think medyo na-stress din ako doon. Nag-ayos pa ako ng costume and everything. Tapos, may trip ako mangyayari very soon. Mawawala ako sa school for like 2 weekends. 2 na magkasunod na weekends. So, this weekend and the following next week's weekends. Alam mo yun? So, parang medyo kailangan bumawi sa class habang nandito pa tayo. Kailangan natin mag-perform. Yeah, so parang sobrang dami lang iniisip. Tapos, lahat ng activities ko sa isang subject sa basic photog. Wait, tangent. Sobrang dami na nangyayari sa subjects ko na yun. Yung sa isang prof ko. Sobrang dami nangyayari and I can't keep up. Sobrang dami nangyayari. Yun, I think yung parang medyo problem when you have like one professor for 2 subjects or multiple subjects. Parang feeling mo ang daming nangyayari. Yeah? Anyway, lahat ng activities ko doon ay marked late sa Blackboard sa aming learning system. I don't know. Kasi every time na nakikita ko siya sa kabilang class, nafe-feeling ko na parang, ay, tapos na ako. Hindi nga pala. This is the other subject from him. Kasi like, subject ko sa, teacher ko siya sa like, 2 subjects. So parang, medyo nagagano ko. Anyway, ang daming, boom, basta yun nangyari this past week. This week and the past week. Yeah. Sobrang stressful lang. Tapos, buti natapos na yung performance. As of the moment, I have a competition piece to do. I have a costume to make. Meron akong kliyente na ipapasa ko dapat bukas yung draft. At least draft lang naman. I think I can do that in a day. Babes, I can do that in a day. Yeah, I should be doing a lot of things right now. Ang dami kong dapat asikasuhin right now. Pwede nga na dapat nagpapak na ako eh. Kasi tomorrow evening, I'll be in Thailand. Yes, let's talk about that ng maya-maya. Pero, ang daming pwedeng gawin. Ang daming dapat gawin. Pero hindi ko binibilang tong paggawa ko dito. Kasi this is therapeutic for me. This is love. This is life. Right here. So, give ko talaga to. And alam mo, gusto ko na i-share nun, na parang every time nangangatin ako, every time I go home, nangangatin ako to make something. And that is a good sign. Yeah, so parang this is so easy to do and I am enjoying myself. Sobrang sayang gawin ito. Sobrang naman lang talagang gawin. And ang dapat kung kailangan i-accomplish before I leave for this weekend. And what did I do? Nag-scroll. At sobrang, kailangan ko bumalik sa paglalakad. I mean, na-stop lang naman siya kasi medyo naisip ko na rin na may papasok ba? Akala ko may papasok. Pero naisip ko rin na yung physical activity na yun is nagagawa ko na daily through dance. Alam mo yun? Pero may mga days ako before na parang even after training ay nakapaglakad pa rin ako. Pero sobrang dami nga kasi nangyayari nga. Ibang circumstance right now. So, I think I need to get back into that or like hit the gym ulit. Like, revised program na parang mas lighter, mas madali, and I can finish it in an hour. So, sobrang totoo nga yun. Wait lang. I need to go back to walking. Maybe, alam mo mamaya, sige. Pag magandang weather, maglalakad tayo. Pagkagising, hindi tayo mag-scroll. We'll just listen to music or even choreograph habang tayo naglalakad, di ba? Hitting two birds with one stone. Love ko kung what it did to my brain. And sobrang nice nun. Sobrang feeling ko I'm in my element. I am in control. Sobrang iba lang yung feeling pag nung naglalakad ako. Like early this month. Today is September ngayon. Kailangan kong bumalik doon at babalik tayo doon. Just hold. The other thing I want to say sa video nito is I have very excited sa next coming weekends nga. Kasi this weekend, I'm going to Bangkok, Thailand for Afrojam Dance Camp Volume 3. And I will be meeting new instructors there as well as some old ones na parang nakita ko na ng Volume 2. Very excited to meet Canessa ulit kasi siya talaga ang favorite kong choreographer. Afrofusion queen. I love her so much. And basta the ear is there, is amazing. Gusto ko, kung alam niyo yun, ano ba yun? Naalala ko yung sa Ang Walang Kwentang podcast, like early episodes sila nito, may sinabi si Gege ata. Gege era ba to? Yes. Gege and Tonet na parang yung isang director na gusto nilang like buksan yung brain. Tapos parang pwedeng pasilip lang. That's me kay Canessa Rodriguez Aguilar. That's me. Okay? So, siya yun. What else? Meeting new people. Meeting like in the flesh. The person kung saan ko unang nakita ang Afro. Badya kasi. We'll be taking a class from her. We'll be acing that class. Alam na natin yan. We already know. Okay. Tapos yun naman yun sa Thailand. And also, kina-clutch ko right now, I'll be joining the solo competition. Pero, fun fact, katatapos ko lang tonight in conceptualizing. Eh di naman, matagal ko na nako-conceptualize kasi at saka lagi kong pinapakinggan yung music dahil I love the song. I'll be doing Mansite. I'll be doing Mansite and I have a concept for it. Tapos, ngayon ko lang siya nalapat na finally and nakapag-mix rin ng music. Kasi nga, as we can see, yung PC ko over there is sira at wala pa akong funds at wala pa akong urgency to like ipaayos talaga siya. So, okay na siya dyan. Chilling na siya dyan. So, hindi talaga medyo na-procrastinate ko, na-push ko yung aking paggawa ng mix. So, kanina ko lang natapos yung mix. Talaga inupuan ko siya. Ito yung mga parts na gusto ko. I have like, siguro 1 minute in some less than 30 seconds. 1 minute 20, I would say. Kasi ang minimum rin is 1 minute. So, okay, game. I will be trying to clutch this solo choreography competition. Sana ma-pull off ko and kasama ko rin ng ate ko with making my costume and my prop. So, I love my ate so much. Thank you so much, ate. And then sa next weekend naman, I'll be in Australia for another Afro Dance Camp. Doon naman, that's Monsters of Afro 2025. And also, together with that, makakanood din ako ng Australian Dance Crew Championships, ADCC. Kasi invited ako, makawatch daw ako. Pero hindi ko masisimulan kasi ADCC day na ng pag-land ko doon. You know? So, syempre, kailangan ko na mag-sleep. Yeah. Pero sobrang exciting rin. MOA, another like camp na medyo hindi pa sa radar ng mga tao, pero it's new. I think it's the first edition pa lang ata. Pero babalitaan ko yung mga friends ko, mga Afro friends natin dito sa Pilipinas, how the experience was doon and paano ko siya mako-compare kay Afrojam, the pros, the cons, and an overall like a different experience kung anong eksena doon. Pero still the same. We're there for learning, we're there for education on the culture and to be more connected with our, tong craft na ginagawa ba natin. Akala ko may buhok. Wait lang, sorry. Pero, yeah, sobrang excited. I don't know if I'll get to see Finn doon ulit, si Finn Avery. Kausap ko si Ate Isi Miyaki, something girly na mutual ko rin sa sa TikToks and sa Instagrams. Pero I think sabi niya wala daw ata siya sa Australia during the time. Yeah. Pero ayun. Anyway, alam ko mga base kasi sila doon eh. So I think maka-dance tayo sa Australia. And this is going to be my first time being in a different place na wala akong nose. Like legit, like nasa Australia ako. My first time, and also wala akong kasamang any other person. That's crazy. Solo trips na talaga for solo trips. You know? I just wanna give a big shout out sa aking tita kasi my tita helped me like i-advance yung funding nitong na to. Kasi this is like personally funded rin by me ba? Pero pina-forward ko muna sa tita ko dahil wala pa yung mga kapirahan ko. Dahil parating pa lang sila. Papunta na sila pero paparating pa lang. Alam mo yan? So, thank you tita. You have made this dream, tong moment na to possible for me. You are the best. So, sobrang exciting this coming weekends. Hopefully makakapagpahinga ako doon, makapaglakad-lakad sana ako doon. Yes. Sana makapaglakad lang rin ako doon. Or maybe no. Kasi baka syempre pagod tayo the whole I doubt makakapaglakad ako sa Thailand. Kasi nga the whole day nakatayo na ako and the classes are like siguro 2 hours each, tas 4 classes each. 4 classes each day. So nakatayo na ako buong araw. So maybe hindi na ako maglalakad doon. Pero I hope sa Sydney ako'y makagala-gala ba? Nang kahit nang sa metro lang or like sa makapunta lang ng opera house, ganun, makapag-TikTok lang doon o kaya makagawa ng isang video na ganito, no? So, yun, very exciting. Makapagpahinga bago ulit sumabak sa pag-uwi, which is, hindi pa naman midterms, sumabak sa, syempre, pag-aaral, going midterms, and also, ewan ko kung anong dance ganap natin during that time. For Pilipinas, we are planning some stuff na. Si Ate Kate, our director, is already naglatag na siya ng mga plans na mga gagawin namin until the end of the year. So, for sure, we'll be occupied. But that will be it. It's going to be fun, very exciting. Number 1, I'm slipping back sa aking bad habits and papalitan ko yun. Like right now, ano oras ba? Saktong 12 midnight right now and isi-sleep ko to para magising tayo na maaga tomorrow and we can start the day right. Yeah? Tapos, I'm slipping back into my old habits and we'll do something about it. And number 2, very excited for the weekends. Babalitan ko kayo. Okay? You are the best.